Welcome to the in front of me Honor 20E, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Now just scroll a little bit down and you will see the notification sound settings. Just to change your notification sound, now we have now set it sound on our notifications. Just select one from these available sounds, or also if you want you can select music on your device if you got some downloaded music from the internet. And now just here select one from these sounds and just go back, and you will see the changes that our notification sound has changed successfully to the mushroom now. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.